Hello and hi everyone. Hi, I'm Tishan from 2 Emerald here and I would like to present about my science presentation on tropical. Tropical areas definition. Tropical climate are characterized by monthly average temperature of 18 Celsius or 64.4 Fahrenheit or higher year-round of weather hot temperature. Receive a high distribution of rain and sunlight throughout the year. There are three basic types of tropical climates within the tropical climate group: tropical rainforest climate, tropical monsoon climate, and tropical wet and dry of savanna climate. In color region show tropical area. The tropical include the equator and part of the North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. In color region show tropical area. The tropical include the equator and part of North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest climate have high temperature. The yearly average temperature in between 21 Celsius to 30 Celsius, 70 Fahrenheit to 85 Fahrenheit. The precipitation can reach over 100 inches a year. Regions affected by tropical rainforest climate mainly include the Upper Amazon Basin or South America, the North Sahara Congo Basin of Africa, and the highland of the East Indian monsoon. The average annual temperature is 27.05 Celsius, 80.69 Fahrenheit, and has an annual temperature range of 36.6 Celsius or 2 Fahrenheit. Tropical monsoon climate as having small annual temperature range, high temperature, and plentiful precipitation. This climate also has a short dry season which occur in the winter. The tropical monsoon climate is usually found within countries in the south of Southeast Asia region between the latitude of 10 degrees north and the Tropic of Cancer. These regions include India, Philippines, the northeast coast of Australia, and Hainan Island of China. Tropical wet and dry or savanna. Tropical savanna climate are mainly located between 10 Celsius and 20 Celsius north, south latitude and often occur at the outer margin of the tropic. The temperature range of savanna climate is between 20 Celsius to 30 Celsius or 68 Fahrenheit to 86 Fahrenheit. In summer, the temperature is between 25 Celsius to 30 Celsius, while in winter the temperature is between 20 Celsius to 30 Celsius. Typical region includes Central Africa, part of South America, as well as Northern and East Australia. Example of tropical wet and dry or savanna is normal area and summer. Definition of adaptation. Animal have skin that can camouflage, have long lips to easy movement. Some birds have big beaks, have webbed hand and feet, bigger in size and structure. Plant have butterroots, root, have waxy leaf, have tree that can climb other tree, have drip lip tips, have three trunks. Example of animal and plant. Animal such as spider monkey, flying frog, toucan, and plant examples such as blanket flower, bougainvillea, blood lily. Thank you so much.